Now I am going to show how to complete the Fiverse Booster Program Phase 4 campaign task. So just click on it. Then click on Join Campaign. And it is the last phase among 4 phases, and there have total 30 million Fiverse token rewards for this booster campaign. So in this phase they will distribute total 7.5 million Fivers among around 70,000 participants, 80,000 participants. So you should complete the task as soon as possible because there have huge user nowadays. So just then click on follow on X account, then click on complete, and here you can see I have already followed their X handle. So just go back to page and click on verify, and it's verify successful. And next one is we have to repost and expose. So just click on complete and complete now, and repost this X post, and then click on verify. It's completed. And next one is Fiverse time stamping quiz. So we have to complete a quiz in this task, and here you can see detail about the quiz, and here you can see information about this quiz. As I have already collected the answer, the correct answer is B, and then click on submit quiz, and it's correct. And then go back to the campaign page again and click on verify. And next one is invoice and payment, and this task will be for 3 days. So make sure you have complete this task for 3 consecutive days to make maximum amount of rewards. And here you can see another task is create 3 receipts from history. So just then complete the invoice and payment day 1. Make sure you have go through the task description. Here they have mentioned create and send an invoice to a payee with ecosystem partners tokens BNB and USDT on count. So we should not transact with BNB and USDT because it will not count. After payment and confirmation, the invoice status become paid and should be able to pass the verification. So accept these two BNB and USDT, we should payment another tokens or coins. So click on complete now. Then create a invoice, and here you should paste the wallet address. I have already copied, and then here you can enter the payer name. Then click on next. And here you can see there have several blockchain networks, so you should pay in BSC network because it is very less amount takes as a fees. So here you can see payment token. So as I have MYX in my wallet, I am going to select MYX. Then enter the amount. Then here we have to write down some description. And then select a payment timing. Then click on next and create invoice. You can see invoice created successfully, and it is loading here due to network issue. And here you can see the invoice created successfully. So then click on it, and then here you can see a pay option. I have entered MYX, and then click on it. Then sign in the transaction and approve transaction. And it's processing, so it might take few seconds or minutes to complete the payment status. You can see this is still pending, so just click on refresh and here you can see the payment status is paid. Then click on download receipt. Then copy the receipt URL and it's done. So then go back to the campaign page and just click on verify. Here you can see the day 1 invoice and payment task is completed. So the remaining days 2 and 3 we should complete in subsequent day. You should complete these 2 tasks tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And next one, last one is create 3 receipts from history. So just click on it. Then click on complete now. And here you can see several blockchain networks. So as I have completed various transactions on BSC chain, so I am going to select BSC and then select token. As I am frequently transact with USDT, so just click on USDT and select a range. Then select all. Then create receipt. So we should create 3 receipts from our transaction history. As I have already transacted several times USDT for my alpha points volume. That's why here you can see several transactions. So you should create 3 receipt here. Then go back to the page again. Then click on verify. And here you can see it's verified successful. So that's all about Fiverse Booster Program phase 4, and make sure you have complete the remaining 2 tasks in coming days to earn huge amount rewards. As it is the last phase, we have expected that the Fiverse Booster campaign rewards will be distributed very soon and we will earn large amounts of profit. Thank you everyone, and please make sure to do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our social handle. Thank you everyone.